Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Toni Braxton to headline Reggae Sumfest, first performance here in 16 years. The Breathe Again multi-Grammy winning singer is set to mark her return on Saturday, July 19. Now she joins a stellar festival Night 2 lineup that already includes reggae heavyweights Tarrus Riley, Protege and Leela Ike. Speaking with E Prime, CEO of Down Sound Entertainment and executive producer of Reggae Sumfest, Joe Bogdanovich explained the decision that led to having Braxton as part of this year's lineup.
The last time she performed at Reggae Sumfest was in 2009, and ever since, fans have been asking, sometimes begging, for her return. So this year, we knew the timing was perfect. Bringing Toni back after 16 years isn't just about nostalgia. It's about raising the bar. Reggae Sumfest continues to do that. Reggae Sumfest is growing, and while reggae and dancehall will always be our heart, we're continuously showing the world that Jamaica can host the music festival on a world-class level.
The 34th staging of Reggae Sumfest is set for July 13 to July 19. Jamaican-born musician Tom Bell among Rock and Roll Hall of Fame inductees. The legendary R&B songwriter and producer known for his iconic work with the Delphonics, the Stylistics and the Spinners left an indelible mark on soul music. A two-time Hall of Fame honoree, first in the Songwriters Hall of Fame in 2006 and later in the Musicians Hall of Fame in 2016, Bell passed away in 2022 at age 79. He's being posthumously honored with a Rock and Roll Hall of Fame induction in the Musical Excellence category. The induction ceremony is slated to take place in November at the Peacock Theater in Los Angeles, California. Now on the international scene, day 2 of the trial of music mogul Sean Diddy Combs in New York. Cassie Ventura, one of the key witnesses in the case, took to the stand in the federal sex trafficking and racketeering trial against her ex-boyfriend. Ventura, who was in a relationship with Combs over a decade, described the physical abuse she endured, including being hit, kicked and dragged, something she said happened frequently during their time together. The testimony quickly turned to the so-called freak-offs, drug-fueled sexual encounters allegedly organized by Combs. Ventura testified that early on, Combs proposed a sexual encounter where he would watch her have sex with another man. She explained that while Combs initially managed these events, it eventually became her responsibility to set them up, choosing who would be involved and when. But she said she felt trapped doing so because she loved him. She feared for her career and worried the videos would be leaked. Ventura also briefly touched on the 2016 hotel incident shown in a surveillance footage where Combs was seen kicking and dragging her down a hallway. She said this occurred after one of the freak-offs and that she just wanted to leave. Her testimony is expected to continue into Wednesday. Meanwhile, the defense is planning to challenge the claims of violence, arguing that incidents of abuse are mutual and that Ventura willingly participated in the encounter, pointing to the length of their relationship. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.